Several things led me to getting lens correction surgery. I would say that the most important thing was that I was wearing readers at first, and then I had to go to a prescription lens, and it was extremely frustrating because I needed a prescription lens for daytime, and then I needed a prescription lens in my sunglasses, and I had 20 to 30 pair of readers around the house, and I could not find a pair if I needed to. And so I started thinking about there's got to be a better way. I'm very active, and my husband and I play golf a lot, and so I was very frustrated on the golf course, very frustrated going into the grocery store. And so out of that frustration, I started thinking there's got to be a better way, and started looking into lens correction. So we made the appointment, and I got in very fast, which was very satisfying for me. I was really ready to have better vision. Every single person from the front desk to the finance office to Dr. Horn has been extremely great to work with. In my consultation with Dr. Horn, I asked a lot of questions. I think my reservations were, if I do this and something isn't working correctly, then can I come back and can he fix it? I wanted to ask all the questions, and I wanted him to answer them all, and he did that. Naturally, he asked me what my goals were. What do I want? Which I thought was very admirable of him, not just to tell me what I needed, but to ask me what I wanted. And so I just said, first of all, I want to be able to see up close. In a perfect world, I want to be able to see up close with no glasses. I want to be able to see in mid-range with no glasses, and if possible, I want to be able to see far away with no glasses. And he said, well, we do have a lens that will fit that. He began explaining to me the mechanism behind the PanOptix Pro. Once we talked through the details of that and the science behind it, and that's the one I chose to go with, I feel like I went with the best lens. And so at the end of the consultation, I said, what, if anything, would be a regret, do you think, if I go through with this? And he said, I think your only regret is going to be, why did I wait so long to get it done? And it's true. And so it was just the whole experience was extremely good. Some very small things that I didn't realize that I would not have to do anymore is, for instance, running out the door to a meeting. Oh my goodness, do I have my glasses? Do I have my sunglasses? Do I have my sports sunglasses? Not having to worry about, do I have everything with me just so that I can see? The frustration, the inner frustration that I would have over my eyesight was gone. Now I go out the door, I don't have to worry about any of that. I can see, and what a delight that is to be able to see. If you're considering having this surgery, number one, you've got to go see Dr. Horn, because I believe he's the best in this area. And secondly is, don't wait. It is so well worth the money. When I look at the money that I spent prior to having the surgery, and then I did the math of what it would cost for years upon years, it makes total sense to go ahead and dive in deep and get it done.